Where we left off in the last video was pretty much with the driver's side being done, and then this side was gonna be done after it dried. Now that it is dried, I pulled everything off and it's sitting absolutely perfect. The next thing to do is to put this thing up on jack stands. Now that we know that these are sitting where we want them to be, we can go ahead and lift the car and work on them at a little bit better height. And then from there, we'll be able to bodywork these, get them flat and everything like that. I'm gonna get this up in the air. We're gonna trim this off. And then we're going to try and figure out a happy medium length between this side and the other side, because it is going to have to meet up with this rear flare here. And so we're gonna have to try and figure out the length, because obviously we are either gonna have to bring out this flare or bring in the side skirt. So everything's gonna be figured out, but I'm gonna go ahead and get working on this. So both of these are now fiberglass. We have to wait for these to dry, and then we can go ahead and pull off the screws and fully fiberglass them from the backside. as you can see, these side skirts are looking really good, and they're almost exactly to the shape that we want. Obviously, we still have to fix some of the gaps and all of that, but that's a lot of the finishing work. This is where I'm going to end today's video, and where I'm going to move on, because all the stuff that I'm gonna do to the rest of these, I'm going to try and do. Meanwhile, other stuff is going on, just because there's so much waiting that I can just do this in between doing other stuff like the front lip, which is going to be next. Also, please check out the merchandise in the description. We have shirts, hoodies, long sleeves, and stickers. It really helps out me, the channel, and the progression of these cars. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. Peace out.